Is your business losing leads before they become customers? If you're running ads, sending mailers, or relying on referrals, but still not seeing consistent new customers, the problem isn't awareness. It's what happens next. Here's where most businesses lose money. Awareness isn't the issue. What happens in the in between is what matters. The in between is where leads get ignored, questions go unanswered, follow up breaks down, and when this happens, that lead moves on to the next number on their list and they book with them. Yes, one of your competitors. Throwing more money at ads won't fix this. Hiring more people won't either. Ads don't create conversions. Hires don't build systems. That's because if you're feeding a broken system, you'll keep getting the same results. Book your free marketing efficiency assessment. We'll show you exactly where leads are falling through the cracks and how to fix it. Whether you choose to move forward and work with us or not, you'll leave our meeting with a clear plan. Just either click the link above or below this video, depending on where you're watching it, or head over to ai.gemstoneconsultingservices.com.